Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable auto restart at set times on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, you want to go down and tap on battery and device care. Then tap on the option key at the top and tap on automation. In automations, tap on auto restart at set times. Tap on the switch to turn it on or off. Now tap on the left hand side panel. Once you're in here, you can schedule which days you have your phone automatically restart. So say if you want to have your phone restart twice a week, you can choose say Wednesday and Saturday at 4 a.m. So choose a time. So this will restart my phone at 4 a.m. in the morning, twice a week, at a time when I don't actually need to use my phone. And that's it. So when the phone restart, the screen is off. So it says your phone will only restart when the screen is off, when the phone isn't being used, the battery is above 30%, and the SIM card lock is off. So all of this is to make sure that it doesn't cause you any inconvenience while restarting the device. And that's it. Now we can tap on the home key to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.